This is my dog after this collar. This is him like outside without the collar. So as soon as I take the collar off, got the collar off of him now. But watch this. This is like post collar treatment. Lou, like he knows the collar is nearby, so I can just snap my fingers and point, or just call his name, and he already know what's up, man. That's amazing right there. All right, so let's talk a little bit about the product itself before we get into the fun stuff. There is 2 presets, so say if you wanted like a more powerful, right now I got both presets on 20. If I wanted to, oh yeah, you press this down here and then turn the knob to adjust it. So say if you wanted like a more powerful shock on 30, and to toggle between each option, you just double tap. All right, but say, like I said, if you wanted like one preset to be more powerful or less powerful than the other one, so right now it's on preset 1, that's preset 2. The collar itself, not much to it. The 3 main things I point out, you can press this button in case you ever lose connection, but this pretty much comes already connected, but you can turn the remote on, press the button if you ever lose connection. I believe that's what it's for. I didn't read the manual like everybody else. So we have a sealed off charger port. So this collar is waterproof, but they highly recommend, that's why they even got this sticker here, they highly recommend you seal this in case your dog is going in water or anything like that. Because this is the only point that water could go into. These knobs here are adjustable. There's long ones and there's short ones, but I recommend using the short ones because the long ones is closer to the skin, so it can cause more issues. The short ones further away from the skin causes less issues. So here's the beep at 20. It's pretty loud at 20. And then here's the vibration. I don't know if you can hear it. So it feels like a cell phone vibrating in your hand. That's the one way I can explain it. But the most important thing I can say about this is the shock is not needed all the time. The shock is just to give the dog an idea of like what the collar does. We want to use the shock like once or twice. I'll say twice when we first got it. After that, our dog got the idea, so we just been using the beep. So we'll give him a warning and then do the beep. That's how we started. But now, all I gotta do is kind of like show him the collar or open the drawer in the kitchen where the collar is, and then he gets the point. So I don't even have to put it on him once he gets the point. I did have to cut this before I put it on my dog. So we adjusted it so it fits good on him, and then I just cut off the excess. I don't know if you can tell where I cut it at. Yeah, I cut it right here. All right.
That'll be weird.
So my wife, she's gonna go through the options just to make it fun. She's gonna do the beep, then the vibrate, and then last is gonna be the shock. So just a disclaimer, I do not recommend you do this yourself at home. Like, it's not meant to be playing around with it. So it's not a toy, so I just gotta like make sure you guys are being safe out there. Do not do this on yourselves at home. I'm just doing this just for like the sake, for educational purposes. So we got on 20. I already did this. I already did this, so I know how it feels, but I'm just doing this again for the video. Should I put it on like this?
But it's not gonna fit you.
It'll fit on my wrist like a bracelet, like an electric bracelet.
Okay,
oh
yeah,
my
do
god.
it like that.
Ah. Oh wait now, wait. Let me talk first, Louise.
Talk then.
Last time I did this, I just laid it on my wrist so I can shake it off, but this is kind of scary. I don't know. Well,
now people are gonna say, "Well, imagine how your dog feels."
Do not put it on 100% with your dog, because that'll be really painful. Because on the 20, it gives me a good shock. So on 20, you know, if somebody has like keys or metal in their hand and they touch you, it's a little shock. So that shock you get when somebody touches you, that's what I feel like 10% is on. But 20%, so that's a little bit. Now, why you did that, bro? All right, do the beep. Go through those motions, man.
Okay. So we're gonna start with the beep, okay?
Oh yeah. All right, then the shock. I mean, not a shock. No. I mean the vibration. Okay, that vibration out of the shot.
Look at me.
She did the vibration again. That's the shot.
Look at me.
So yeah, okay, man. It doesn't hurt, but it gives you like that tingling feeling, like it's not. Babe, really, she hit it a third time. So your dog.
Your dog would do like you going.
So your dog will get the point. Your dog will get the point. I can take 20%. So I don't know if you was like a freaky person and you like stuff like that, maybe you could use that like a 20%. It wouldn't hurt you. It wouldn't hurt you. That's all I'm saying. But yeah, we're happy with this. So we're not gonna be trying to buy anything else. But if you guys have any questions, you know what to do. Leave me a comment. But for this video, that's all I got. Much love to each and every one of you. I'm gonna download a bird, and I'm out.